Hi, this is Julie Calvi, and today I want to talk to you about the importance of doing simple acts each day. So, it's if you have a project that you want to accomplish, and it doesn't matter, it's up to you. But if you're a writer and you want to write a book or a short story, if you want to build a website, and or if you want to build a catering business or even a dinner party, it doesn't matter. But it's not going to happen all in one day. So let's go with the example of the writer. So say the writer sits down at his or her computer and goes, "Oh my God, what have I gotten myself into?" So my suggestion is to write 1,000 words that day, which for a writer is easily done, and give yourself a pat on the back and stop right there. And then the next day, sit down, write 1,000 words a day, give yourself a pat on the back, and stop. Now, what this does is you have visible proof. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and on and on and on. Pretty soon you got 10,000. Pretty soon you got a whole novel. And it also builds momentum. By this visible proof, it adds momentum. You know you can do it. You have the confidence. You have this, and it builds momentum. You know how joggers say, "Drink before you get thirsty." So I've been building my website, and my way of being would be to dive into it and work until all hours of the night, and then the next day go, I don't know. I don't know if I want to do this today at all. So I didn't do that. I gave myself an allotted amount of time each day, and if I felt before that amount of time that I was thirsty, I quit. That was enough that day. I gave myself a pat on the back. I went and read or watched a Netflix movie or something like that. But I did a simple act each day, and I saw it all come together. And yes, it gives you it gives you visible proof, and it gives you momentum. Now, what else it gives you is it fills, I'm going to let you some lingo, it fills the gap between who you are today and who you want to become. It also fills the gap between your ideas and the realization of those ideas. Please do not underestimate this suggestion of taking simple actions each day. By doing this over a lifetime, you may finish many projects, reach many goals over your lifetime, and you won't feel burdened by it. So, as your unburdened life coach, that's my tip of the day. Bye-bye, Julie.